Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I'm preparing avocado toast. So let's start. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please like, share, comment, and let's start the process. This is avocado. This is really healthy breakfast in the morning. So I'm removing seed. I'm cutting small pieces, slices. I'll transfer into the bowl. Looking for spoon. Got spoon. I'll transfer into the bowl. So now I'm adding one red onion. This is actually salad onion. Cut into small pieces. Add into the bowl. Now I'm adding one whole tomato. Just cut the small pieces. Add into the bowl. Now add few drops of lemon. I forgot to show you. This is parsley. If you don't have, you can add coriander. This is little similar to coriander. Now I'm adding grated carrot. Just 2 tablespoons is enough. Add half tablespoon salt. and pinch of pepper powder. That's it. You mix well. Now let's prepare the toast. That's it. Mash it nicely. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread the butter first. Now add pizza sauce. I'm adding 1 tablespoon sauce. Now add cheese. Now I'm adding another sauce, coconut sriracha. You can add any other sauce, dressing sauce. Now add avocado on the top. Spread it nicely. Now keep the toast on the tawa. Keep in medium flame. So after 2 minutes, let's take it off. So this is egg. Boil for only 10 minutes. That's all. Add salt and pepper. If you want more sauce, you can add mayonnaise on the top and enjoy your morning breakfast. Please, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and please share with your friends and family. So I'm having it's really yummy. This is the most healthiest breakfast in the morning. Please try to eat avocado in the morning and boiled eggs. I hope you like it, my video. It's really delicious. Hope you enjoy my video. Until then, see you. Bye.